show's been an absolutely fantastic turnout for us. We've met existing customers as well as new customers, and with our prime location at the front of the entrance, it's been a really busy show for us.
We're exhibiting two of our products. We're traditionally known for our coordinate measuring machines, but what we've launched at the show today is the Absolute Freedom Arms, a portable measurement system with laser scanning where we can capture up to 500,000 points per second.
Brilliant so far, perfect opportunity to meet suppliers and new customers.
First time at the show this year. It's day 2 today. It's been busier than yesterday, and yesterday we were rushed off our feet. We are Europe's main distributor for anti-static product ranges, from shielding bags to pink anti-static. A real mixture as well of contacts, from engineers to company directors to purchasing managers.
We've got a new space here, a bigger stand than we've ever had before, and it's really worked out well. We're really pleased with the amount of engineers we've seen, purchasing, production from all different industries, so for us it's been a really successful show. Already rebooked for next year.
Yes, you'll see us next year.
Really positive feedback, and we're really pleased.
It's been really well worthwhile, and a lot of new people here today. It's been really good.